This was the first song we ever wrote together. We recorded it for Linda's solo album, and Emmylou Harris heard it and convinced Dolly Parton and Linda Ronstadt to do it on their album Trio. Here's our version of Telling Me Lies.
They say a woman's a fool for weeping, a fool to break her own heart. But I can't hold the secret I'm keeping, I'm breaking apart. Can't seem to mind my own business. Whatever I try turns out wrong. I seem like my own false witness, and I